Before fitness training, your number one priority should be warm-up or stretching exercises to prevent serious harm to your body or to enhance the output during the training. There are also a number of precautionary tips to serve as guidelines when doing fitness exercises. Here are a few. 1. To boost your flexibility and to avoid possible serious injuries, stretch before and after your workout. Hopefully, everyone knows that stretching before a workout possibly prevents serious harm to your body during exercises, but only a few people know that stretching after a workout, when muscles are still warm, can greatly increase flexibility. 2. Hold your stretching position for more than 60 seconds if possible to increase flexibility. While holding your position for 20 seconds is enough for warm-ups, holding each position for at least 60 seconds will develop the body's flexibility. If you're just starting out, 20 seconds is okay, try to increase it by 10 seconds each day. 3. Don't go into a stretching position then immediately return to the relaxed position, and do it repeatedly. My friends call this bouncing while in a position. When stretching, hold that position for several seconds, and then slowly relax. You may do this exercise repeatedly this way. Bouncing or forcing yourself into a position during stretching can strain or damage some joints or muscles. Please keep this in mind. 4. Start slowly in increments instead of immediately proceeding to do the hardest exercise or position. Beginner's mistake. Most of us have been there. 5. Make sure that you have stretched or warmed up all muscle groups. For some people, even if they have strong bodies, they tend to neglect the neck when working out or stretching. Stretching the neck muscles can be as simple as placing the palm of one's hand against the front of the head and pushing it. Then, do the same to the sides and the back of the head. 6. Stretch regularly to continually increase your range of movements and your level of flexibility and strength. Don't overdo it when just starting out. 7. Do what you are able to do at first. Do not force yourself to do exercises that you are not yet capable of just because there are people who can do it. Increase your limits slowly. Let your body tell you what it can and cannot do. There are days when your body may be too tired that you may have to consider reducing your range of motion. That's okay. Just listen to your body. 8. Take a breather. Rest in between sets to make sure that the body has enough time to recover its energy. Also, it is advisable that you don't work the same muscle groups consecutively for 2 days. The muscles grow during the period when you rest and not when you are working out. 9. Do some aerobic exercises to get your heart pumping. This includes cardiovascular exercises such as skipping rope, running, or swimming. 10. Music, of course. When you want to train for longer periods or to increase your intensity, put your headphones in and jam to your favorite playlist. Find music that motivates you at your pace, which is fun as well. Stretching is the perfect way to keep fit and to clear your mind. I hope these tips were helpful. The free 14-day results plan. Lose up to 9 pounds in 14 days. Start right now, for free. Go to bit.ly/beachbodyexpress.